A kind couple found a leopard cat kitten, abandoned by its mother in the wild. They gently brought it home and carefully cleaned the dirt off its tiny body. At first, the little leopard cat was timid and curled up on the sofa, but the couple bought toys to cheer it up. Gradually, the kitten began to see them as its parents. It followed them everywhere they went, often lying beside them and playing joyfully. As the leopard cat grew older, it learned to use the toilet smartly and would obediently fetch anything the couple threw. However, its wild instincts started to show. It often dragged out big chunks of raw meat to eat alone and sometimes tried to tear open the couple's packages. After much consideration, the couple decided to return it to the wild, but to their surprise, the very next day, the leopard cat came running back. It clung tightly to their legs and refused to let go. It was then that the couple finally understood. The leopard cat had long ago accepted them as its true